Low-Carb Lobster Thermidor Recipe, Keto Crave. Forget the guilt, indulge in the glory. This low-carb lobster thermidor reimagines the iconic dish for the keto king, or queen, in you. Ditch the starchy flour and heavy cream, embrace creamy cauliflower puree and tangy goat cheese, and prepare to have your taste buds do a keto victory dance. So, grab your whisks, fire up the oven, and let's dive into this decadent, low-carb masterpiece. Serves, 2 generously, or 4 as part of a larger spread. Ingredients. 2 large, 1.5 to 2 pounds, lobsters, cooked and halved. 1 head cauliflower, cut into florets. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 1/4 cup dry white wine. 4-ounce goat cheese, crumbled. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 teaspoon dried tarragon. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh chives. Equipment. Large pot. Immersion blender or food processor. Large skillet. Baking sheet. Broiler, optional. Instructions. 1. Steam the cauliflower. Steam the cauliflower florets until tender, about 10 minutes. Drain and let cool slightly. 2. Whip up the dreamy puree. In a blender or food processor, combine the steamed cauliflower with 1 tablespoon of butter, salt, and pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. You can adjust the consistency with a splash of water if needed. 3. Sauté with style. Melt the remaining butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add shallot and cook until softened, about 3 minutes. Deglaze the pan with white wine, scraping up any brown bits. 4. Flavor infusion. Reduce heat and whisk in the cauliflower puree, goat cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Let simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until slightly thickened and warmed through. Season with tarragon, salt, and pepper to your taste. 5. Fill and flaunt. Gently fill the lobster shells with the creamy cauliflower mixture, mounding it slightly. Sprinkle with a touch of Parmesan cheese for extra golden goodness. 6. Bake to bliss. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the thermidor for 10 to 12 minutes, until bubbly and lightly browned. 7. Broil to perfection, optional. For an extra crispy top, broil the thermidor for 1 to 2 minutes at the end, keeping a close eye to avoid burning. 8. Grand finale. Garnish with fresh chives and serve immediately alongside roasted asparagus or a bed of leafy greens for a satisfyingly low-carb feast. Tips and tricks. Spice it up, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or smoked paprika for a touch of heat. Seafood swap, don't have lobster? This recipe works beautifully with crab or even firm white fish. Make it vegan. Ditch the goat cheese and Parmesan for a cashew-based vegan cheese and nutritional yeast for a plant-based thermidor adventure. Remember, keto doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or elegance. This low-carb lobster thermidor proves that decadent dining can be perfectly compatible with your healthy lifestyle. So, indulge without the guilt, savor the richness, and embrace the keto-friendly thermidor magic. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more low-carb recipe inspiration. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.